Speak up, guys. Today I want to have a straight chat with you about a supplement that I tested for 6 months, and that honestly surprised me a lot. But calm down. This is not the kind of video that tries to push you into something. I'll tell you my real experience, what worked, what didn't work so well, and if it's really worth investing in MYTOLYN. So if you like sincere content, give it that naughty like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go for the analysis. Why did I decide to try MYTOLYN? So, let me contextualize it for you. I've always been a person connected to performance, productivity, those health optimization stops. But man, I started to feel that my body no longer kept up with my mind. I work in digital, I spend hours on the computer, I have an intense pace, and that absurd mental fatigue began to hit. You know when you sleep 7-8 hours and even so, do you wake up broken? That was it. My focus was slipping away, my energy falling throughout the day, and I felt like I needed something to give me a boost. That's when I started researching mitochondrial health and saw that a lot of people were talking about MYTOLYN. What caught my attention was the proposal of the supplement: strengthen mitochondria, improve cellular energy production, and reduce the oxidative stress. I thought, well, if he really does half of what he promises, it's worth the test. So I bought it and started taking it. Now, after 6 months of use, I can talk to property what happened. You can ask yourself the first few days, can you feel something? To be honest, in the first few days I didn't feel anything, nothing at all. If you expect an immediate effect like coffee or pre-workout, forget it. But as I am stubborn and I like to test things thoroughly, I kept taking it. Around the second week, I began to notice some subtle changes. The first sign, it was in the morning. I woke up and realized that that feeling of heavy body was minor, but it was still nothing very remarkable. The big turnaround began in the second month. That's when I realized that my energy, it was more constant throughout the day. Before, after lunch, I was tired that it looked like a truck had run over me. After a while with MYTOLYN, this has improved a lot. Has there been any change over time? In the third and fourth month, the effects began to become more evident. And it wasn't that explosive caffeine energy. It was a more stable gas, I could do it work for hours without feeling like my head was melting. My clarity, mental improvement has improved a lot. Do you know when you can connect ideas faster? Was something along those lines. And another thing that surprised me, the physical resistance. I'm not an athlete, but I don't have a regular gym, and I started to notice that I recovered better after the training. That post-workout fatigue was less. Now, after 6 months, I can say that my overall energy is better, my focus has increased, and overall, I feel less drained at the end of the day. But calm down, not everything is perfect. Obviously, not everything is rosy, right? There are some things that I think are important to before thinking about buying. First, don't expect an instant effect. If you are anxious and want to get the result in the first day, you can get frustrated. The effect is gradual. It takes time. Second, the price. I know it's an investment and it's not a cheap supplement, but honestly, after what I felt, I see it as an investment in my productivity and long-term health. Third, if you take it too late, it can disrupt sleep. I realized this and I started taking it always in the morning. Is it worth it? My final opinion. Dude, after 6 months of use, my answer is yes, but it depends on what you're waiting for him. If you want a supplement that gives you more energy, reduce that one constant fatigue, and improve your focus, I think it's very worth testing. Now, if he already has energy to spare, sleeps well, and doesn't feel mental fatigue, maybe he doesn't do as much difference to you. I particularly will continue to use it because I really felt the benefits. But of course, that's me. Each body reacts in a different way. Want to try it at a discount? If you are curious and want to try MYTOLYN, I left a special link on description with an exclusive discount. And I always recommend buying through the link official, because unfortunately, there is a lot of counterfeiting out there. If you liked this honest analysis, leave the like, subscribe to the channel, and comment here below. Have you ever used MYTOLYN, or are you thinking of trying it out? I always answer the comments, so let's exchange an idea. See you in the next video.